In today's video, it's part 2 of the canisters, but now we're making matching coasters. And then destruction at the craft fair show. We were very, very close to losing it all. Hello, and welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I experience the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around. Let's have some fun. And as always, keep creating. Let's pour. As promised, here's the finished product of the canisters. They look so good. Oh, I'm so happy with their turnout. They look beautiful. Love the colors. Got to make more of these. But first, I think we need to make some matching coasters. All right, let's get started. So since we are making matching set to the canisters, we're just going to stick with the same colors. I still don't know what color this Sherwin-Williams color to go is. Got paint on the label, and I tried looking up, can't figure it out. So it's a beautiful light blue. I put too much down, so I'm just kind of scooping some up with my fingers and scraping it back into the container. Now this is, I believe it's Folk Art Color Flash Aqua. That is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. Payne's Gray by Creative Inspirations. Deco Arts Primary Blue. And this is a custom blue with some dragonfly glaze mixed in it. Gives it some sparkles. And here's some TLP custom mixed with like abalone and maybe some mermaid in there. And this is cobalt blue for my cell activator, along with titanium white. And as usual, I'm going to be using my airbrush to blow it out. Just love the control that I have with that. Get it just the right angle to blow the cell activator up over the other paints. Now I had a little debris or something in my cell activator, a little chunk of dried paint, so I was able to get it out. Now it's time to spin it out. You spin it to get the extra paint off of it, and it also helps to open up your design. As usual, I'm going to be making a set of 6, but I'm just going to share one more with you really quick, just because I love these colors and this design and how they all came out. So I'll share one more with you, a little quick boom boom boom, done, beauty, loving it. And then we'll get into what happened this past weekend. Stay tuned till the end. I absolutely love how they turned out. Wow. So much depth. That one's still a little thick on the cell activator. It looked like it was still developing, but as you can see, that was best it got. But it's still beautiful, I don't mind. Here's the set at this weekend's Celebrate Erie event. One had already sold, so, and left with 5 and the canisters. Hey everyone, we are down at the Celebrate Erie. Come on down, say hi. We are starting to pick up a little bit. Crowd is kind of small to start, but what do you expect for a Friday afternoon? The weather is amazing. So come on over, check out what we got going on here. I got some new things. Got some canisters and picture frames and my new designer boxes that I made. These are so cool. I love that. So come on over, check it out, see what we got going on. It's an absolutely gorgeous day down here in downtown Erie, Pennsylvania. Hope to see you soon. In the early mornings into day 3, the storm hit. These are the photos that I woke up to with an email saying that there was a storm and total destruction had hit our location. Luckily, this is our tent. We almost got taken out by our neighbor. All right, we just got here. This was our neighbor. He was set up here. This is his tent. And this is our tent. Wow. Oh my goodness. It doesn't look like we got any damage. Nothing. That's our neighbor. And then it's total destruction after that. My heart is like broken. Oh my goodness. They got their tent back from over here. That was the one that had landed over here. Oh my God. Wow. We were so close to being completely taken out. We only got a little bit of damage. A little tweaked. Our neighbor, they got pushed back just a little, but they're pretty good. But they didn't even have weights, and their thing just scooted over a little, so they got lucky. Oh, the poor lady with the tie-dye. Oh, her tent was across the street mostly. Total destruction. Heartbreaking. Please get down here and support our vendors who are really going through it right now. City Gallery was down here, where I quite often have my paintings. Luckily, they rent a tent, but these people, the tattoo place, which I hear was a brand new tent, is now up against City Gallery's tent. That's why they didn't move. City Gallery, they also are very thoughtful and they take everything home with them. So they did good. Heartbreaking. I hear Perry Square, or big park down here, looks like a tornado hit it. Just like this over here. But you know how the saying goes, the show must go on. So, hey everyone, another update on the final day of Celebrate Erie. Although it started off very rough this morning, and we are open. There are still plenty of vendors here. Crowds are starting to form again. Come on down. We are open and running. Some vendors had to pack up and go home, and our hearts do go out to them. And oh, looks like they're getting a tent put together for the tattoo place. They lost a gigantic tent, and pretty devastating, but it looks like they're taking care of them and getting them all set up. So that is awesome. Everyone is showing an amazing sense of community out here. And although my tables are a little bare because we've had a great weekend and things are flying off the shelves, there is still plenty of stuff. Look at these amazing Lazy Susans. Still got plenty of jewelry, one of a kinds, can never be duplicated. Magnets, kind of slim on the magnets, but there's still plenty there. Another Lazy Susan. This awesome new cigar box. And we got some more coasters. And the canisters. Last picture frame. And of course we still have my paintings. Clocks, a couple clocks still. There's that one. And the other one's on the outside. But stop on by. Let's go with Maddie. Then I got another special delivery just in time to brighten my day from the amazing Bella of Royal River Art. This beautiful little keychain. It was amazing. We truly feel blessed to have made it through the storm, and our thoughts do go out to those that lost, but hopefully they'll come back bigger and better next time. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much always. Love you all for joining us at the Creative Art Collective every Saturday starting at 6 p.m. UK, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. We start with Taslima Maya Art, who puts this all together for us. Then me, Let's Pour with Patty, followed by Casey of CWV Artistry, and last but not least, Sheldon Briscoe of Shell Rock Art. We love having you with us, and as always, keep creating. I'll see you next time. Bye.